After skiing at Steamboat Springs in Colorado, we headed to Winter Park to do some more skiing. Winter Park is another resort on the Icon Pass, and it is not limited to 5 days, so we can ski an unlimited amount of days here. We have been staying here at the G-Lot in Winter Park for the past 3 nights. They allow you to camp here for a maximum of 3 nights in a row, and it's pretty close to the resort. There's a bus that can pick you up right over there and take you to the front entrance of the resort, which is really nice. The only downside is there's no facilities here, no bathrooms, no hookups, so it really only works to camp here if you're self-contained. And it's free! There's a handful of other RVs and campers, maybe 15 or so, and it's really quiet. It's off the highway. You don't hear any traffic. And the bus picks you up right there. When the nighttime temperatures are below 20 degrees, we often wake up with frozen windshields on the inside as our condensation freezes. We even leave a roof vent cracked, but this still happens. After skiing in Winter Park for a couple of days, we headed north towards Wyoming. There were some wicked wind gusts on the drive north, so we had to stop to take a break. It is so beautiful here.
It is.
We didn't even know we were coming through this canyon. I noticed that Hot Springs State Park was right off our path in Thermopolis, Wyoming, so we stopped to stretch our legs and explore the park for a little bit. This is so cool! More than 8,000 gallons flow over the terrace every 24 hours at a constant temperature of 128 degrees Fahrenheit. There is also 6.2 miles of hiking trails in the state park. There is no entrance fee to enter this park. The park also offers a free 20-minute soak in this bathhouse, where the water is maintained at 104 degrees. There are also changing rooms and hot showers. After driving north for a few more hours, I noticed we were only a few miles from Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area in northern Wyoming. After finding several beautiful-looking hikes on all trails, we decided to detour to this recreation area where we spent 2 days hiking and enjoyed the warmer weather. We are at the Bighorn Lake Marina and no one else is here. We made it to the top of Horseshoe Bend. We spent our first night at the Horseshoe Bend Campground, and since it is off season, it is actually free. The off season is October 30th through April 15th. Last night was a little bit windy, but it calmed down by the morning, and it is beautiful out. And there's not a single other person here. It was also in the 30s last night, which was super nice because we're used to it being in the teens and 20s, so we actually didn't even have to run our diesel heater last night. So that was really nice, and the daytime temperatures have been super nice here too. They've been in the 60s. Yesterday we were hiking in a t-shirt, which is really nice to warm up between our ski destinations.
What a view.
We made it to the top.
We did it.
This is such a beautiful hike. Definitely recommend. And we saw no one else. We're heading back down. Coming down was a lot quicker than heading up.
Big time.
Yeah.
It's a really scenic hike, and we saw a spot where there was some rock climbing. It was a bolted sport route, so that was kind of cool to see.
That was.
It was really pretty up there.
Beautiful.
Came across some snow towards the top. Can't beat the view. Look at
No,
this.
so beautiful here. It's our second night at Bighorn Canyon. We are spending tonight up at Barry's Landing. There's a campground for a couple of spots. It's probably campgrounds for people that have boats in the summer, but since there's no boats, we are spending the night here. It is so pretty. Checking the oil.
Yep. Getting ready for our big drive tomorrow. She looks perfect right up there. She's using some oil, so we gotta check it very often. And we got a brake leak, so I added some brake fluid. Always checking fluids. Put on this new radiator cap, and that seems to help with, we were having some problems leaking radiator fluid out of here. So I think that's good. Everything else looks okay.
So tonight we are making some teriyaki bowls. We have some leftover brown rice we're just heating up, and a rotisserie chicken that I cut up that we're heating up in the pot. And then I'm just steaming some broccoli over here, and we'll put it all together in a bowl. And we'll put this P.F. Chang's teriyaki sauce on it. And we'll show you guys the finished product. This is the finished product. Healthy, and it took under 10 minutes to make. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we'll just head north to our next skiing destination. We will see you in the next video.